There is a different Arabic word to describe patience according to your context, what you are doing. Allow me to demonstrate, and you will see how mighty this virtue is in the eyes of our Sharia. We said that patience is about what? Restraint. طيب. So when you are restraining yourself from excessive indulgence in worldly matters, that patience has a name. It's called zuhd, minimalism. Special name for patience. When, however, your restraint is from a prohibited sexual appetite, that patience also has a name. It's called what? Iffa, chastity. When your restraint is from rage, that patience also has a name. It's called hilm, forbearance. When that restraint is from stinginess, that patience is called jood, generosity. When that patience or that restraint is from food and drink, that patience has a name. It's called sawm, fasting. When that restraint is from lumping your problems on other people and not dealing with it yourself, that patience is called muru'ah, decency. When that restraint is from behaving in a cowardly manner, that patience is called shaja'ah, courage. So on and so forth. So there is a different name for sabr, patience. According to what it is in life that you are doing, patience will follow you. And a different name applies, and the umbrella term that covers all of it is called sabr, patience. So you see that all of the maqamat, the stations of the religion, can be traced back to sabr, patience. Allahu Akbar. That's number what, brothers? This is number 3. We said number 1, the Quranic attention on sabr is phenomenal, linking it with so many things. Number 2, it's the greatest gift a man could receive. Number 3, it walks with you in every one of the domains of life. Number 4, it is a way of triumph over your oppressor and enemy. Now don't get me wrong, this isn't our religion saying you got to behave in a passive way. No, you got to do what you got to do, and you got to plan and take your means and measures. But as you do that, you are defined by what? You are defined by patience. And what is the outcome? The outcome is as described by Allah. إِن تَمْسَسْكُمْ حَسَنَةٌ تَسُؤْهُمْ. If good touches you, O believers, it harms them. وَإِن تُصِبْكُمْ سَيِّئَةٌ يَفْرَحُ بِهَا. But when evil touches you, it makes your enemies happy. Then Allah said, وَإِن تَصْبِرُوا. But if you have sabr, patience, وَتَتَّقُوا, and you're mindful of Allah, لَا يَضُرُّكُمْ كَيْدُهُمْ شَيْئًا. Their scheming is not going to harm you. إِنَّ اللَّهَ بِمَا يَعْمَلُونَ مُحِيطٌ. And Allah is encompassing of what they do. So whether that enemy is an all-out external enemy, whether it's someone claiming to be a Muslim, he or she are a hypocrite in reality, going against the Islamic cause. Or whether it's a Muslim, a real Muslim, but they're causing you harm and oppressing you and being a means of injustice. Realize that with sabr, their scheming will not harm you. This is the promise of Allah Jalla Jalla.